what daycare used to do. He'd shovel the driveway and they'd dump it all back in. Yep, helping you, Mr. Bill. Good job.
Hi, Harp.
Whoa. Oopsie. You okay? She didn't see you there. There's Graham. Graham's coming home from school, Mira. Nope, pay Saturday. That's where Graham is.
Hi, Mira. Can you say hi?
Sloppy Joes are out.
Okay.
Put them in the bowl and cover it with the paper plate when you warm it in the microwave.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm shooting a video. Okay. Whoa. A big pile? That's cool. Where did my shovel go?
Yeah, your shovel.
I'm not sure where my shovel went. Where's your shovel?
In my hand.
In your hand? You want to watch me shoot the movie? Okay, Mira, watch out. Here comes a car, Mira. Go to the garage, please.